To see the latest videos first, subscribe to our Stange YouTube channel and hit the bell icon now. Are you uploading videos on YouTube and not getting enough views? We are uploading videos on our YouTube channel since last 1 month, and for every week we are seeing more than 700% growth in views time. Hello friends, I am Sanjeev Mishra from Stange, and today I will talk about YouTube SEO, YouTube search engine optimization. So you have already heard about SEO of your website or a landing page. Now of course you need to do search engine optimization for your website to get traffic from Google or other search engines. Similarly, YouTube is also a search engine, right? There are so many people who are coming down on YouTube and they are searching for videos. Now if your video will come on top for a keyword, then you will get views. Now how to make sure that your video will come on top for a keyword, will rank well for a keyword? Because if you are seeing on YouTube for your own topic, for the same topic, there are many videos available on YouTube already. If you are uploading videos of your pets, a dog video, cat video, there are so many cat videos already on YouTube. So why people will come to your video? How come your video will get views when there are so many already videos available on YouTube? Now, to get more views, you need to do search engine optimization for your video as well. So when you are uploading a video, there are a few things that you have to make sure that you are following. First thing, name of the video file. All right. So if you are creating a video, don't just upload it as img_1100.mp4. Don't upload that way. Go ahead and rename that video with some keywords. Say if you are uploading a video related to a cricket match, then name that video file as cricket_match_ whoever is the team, India_England_2017.mp4. Okay. So when you are naming that file, make sure you are using the keywords and you are separating the keywords with underscore. Okay. So that was first thing. Second thing is title of the video. As per, similar to the title of a web page, you should have keywords in title of your YouTube video as well. So once you upload the video, YouTube will ask you to populate the title. Otherwise, it will automatically take some title. So make sure that you are using title with keywords. Keywords, that means the word which people are typing on YouTube to search that kind of video. So you are having the keyword in title, you are having the keyword in description as well. The first paragraph in description area of video is very important. So make sure that you are using the keyword in first paragraph of your description. Right? After that, YouTube allows you to add some tags. Have at least 5 or 6 tags over there, and the tags, there also you can use the keywords as tags, what people are searching for. When you are uploading this video, when you are uploading a particular video, you are making sure that the title is good, description is good, description is having keyword and the title is having keyword, and you are populating the meta tag. Now, the description area should have, audio text, the text that you get from, if you are using any software to get the text of your audio file or the video file, the caption if you are getting, just paste the caption or the audio, the text that you are getting from audio, just paste that text in description area. Try to put more information in description area. That is how you will actually populate the keyword for your video over there. Now, after uploading the video, make sure that you are uploading the caption file as well. Even the video is in English, go ahead and upload one caption file in English. Don't just depend on the YouTube automatic caption option. All right, because YouTube automatically generates a caption as well, but there you will find a lot of mistakes. And the most important part is, YouTube is not going to use that caption file for SEO. That means unless and until you are not uploading a caption file, it is not going to help for SEO. So make sure that you are uploading one caption file for your YouTube videos. After that, when you are getting more views on your YouTube video, your ranking will increase. Now how to get more views? Of course, you should share the video on Facebook, Twitter and other social media channel. Make sure that you are embedding the video on your website. If you are blogging about the same topic, make sure that you are embedding the video over there. So you are getting traffic on your blog, and that traffic is visiting or viewing that video. Now the watch time of that video will increase, and the SEO ranking will also increase. YouTube will start showing that video on top on the search result page. So I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, click on the like button, share this video with your friends, family, and comment on this video if you have any questions related to YouTube SEO. Thanks for watching.